All right, guys, this is the Northeastern 2014 Ford Flex Y pipe, and it did not mount up. It was slightly off. So what I did, let me get this on here, is I hacked the pipe in half about right here, and I took 2-inch pipe here and I used a handheld expander to make this connector right here, so that when we get both of the exhaust manifolds bolted up, this slides in and out, you know what I'm saying, to get our desired length. And then we'll have to get 2 clamps to go around that. I could use the wraparound clamp, but I think we're just going to use 2 regular exhaust clamps on there. Don't look the best. I would like to weld it, honestly. I do have my welder, so we'll see. We might end up welding this once we get it fitted, but I don't want to. I kind of rather just use the band clamps right now, because we got stainless steel and then we have aluminum, and obviously they're 2 different tensile strengths, and I think the aluminum would probably start melting if we started trying to weld that together. So we're probably just going to use the band clamps for now. I don't have a TIG welder or a really good welder. I just have a 120 volt or whatever welder. So